4 reasons why you should overcome negative thoughts ASAP. Negative thoughts do nothing for you. It weighs you down, it makes you sad, it stresses you out. No matter which way you look at it, negativity has no positive merits. Still not convinced? Stay tuned to this presentation to find out why you should overcome negative thoughts and banish it from your mind forever. Number 1. You'll never learn from failure. Failure is an important part of life. Everyone fails. Since we were babies, we've been programmed to learn from our failures. If we weren't, how else would we know which is right and which is wrong? But the difference between babies and adults is that babies don't have negative thoughts. They learn from their failures by testing which is going to work and which isn't. As adults, if we keep on being pessimistic, you're never going to learn anything from your failures. Learn to let go of the negativity, and you'll soon find there's so much to learn from your failures. Number 2. You'll find it hard to step out of your comfort zone. Having a comfort zone is important, but it doesn't mean you should stay in your comfort zone 24/7, too afraid to explore what lies outside your zone. If you keep telling yourself there are monsters outside your comfort zone, ready to devour you the moment you step out, you'll never amount to anything in life. Number 3. Your negativity is affecting your health. When you've been pessimistic for far too long, you become desensitized. You find it hard to move forward. You can't see the light in front of you, only the darkness. You can't do anything or go anywhere because your negative thoughts block your path. You start neglecting your health. You start ignoring your body, and pretty soon, you'll find your health failing. Number 4. You'll never achieve your dreams. With negativity comes failure. If you focus on the negative things and don't give a chance for a bit of positivity to shine its way through, then you'll never achieve your dreams. The sad reality is that you may forego all your dreams simply because you automatically assume you're going to fail. That's what negativity does to a person. It kills dreams and it kills hopes. If you ever want to amount to anything in life, then you better overcome your negative thoughts ASAP.